Hey guys, today's wine text is the Bold 2017 Pinot Noir. Perfect timing really for Pinot Noir when you think about the weather changing and spring right around the corner. Looking more for some lighter reds to start to enjoy in the slightly warmer weather, and Pinot Noir definitely drives that home. This particular wine is a small production wine from Monterey in California, which you might not necessarily associate small production. A lot of people think about Central Coast or Monterey or other areas like that as making kind of more bulk produced Pinot Noir under a variety of labels. Obviously, there's a lot of those as well, but there are some really good, interesting small production Pinots, such as this. Big thing about Monterey is you're not going to spend a ton in most cases. It's very reasonable value. This actually has a suggested retail price of 25 bucks, which quite frankly, when you taste this, even at $25, it's an incredible value. And the deal today on WineText is much less than that. But generally speaking, good Pinot Noir in a lot of cases, you're gonna pay $20 or more really as a base. There are some good exceptions underneath that. So even at 25 bucks, it's a great deal. Monterey, as I said, you might think about larger production items. This is actually from two single vineyards with wines that are 15 vines that are 15 to 20 years of age or so. So there is some extra complexity and concentration here. It's a little bit bigger than you might expect, but it's still delicate and still has really easy drinking fruit flavors, really ready to drink now. Can age short term, but honestly, this is really a buy by the case or buy 6 bottles. Or buy 2 cases, even if you're thinking ahead to Thanksgiving or the holidays, because Pinot Noir is such a great gift idea and it goes great with a variety of food. I just think at the price point here, this is really going to deliver. We don't have a lot of this, as I mentioned, or I think I mentioned, the production here was just under or just over 400 cases, so there's not a ton. This is one to stock up on for sure, especially if you drink Pinot Noir. Enjoy.